In this video, you will learn how to execute a function with the help of a Salesforce flow. We will first create a flow and then automate a function using the same flow. Let's do it. In your Copado org, navigate to the Setup icon and search for flows in the Quick Find box. Now, click on the New Flow button on the top right corner and select Screen Flow from the given options. We will now in the Flow Builder screen, select and drag the screen element onto the Flow Builder and name it Package Install. Now navigate to the Components tab and search for the text component. Select and drag it to the screen element. Give your text component a name. Next, go to the footer to change the name of the Finish button to Install. Select Done and link the Start element to the screen element. Now we are going to create two resources, variables and formula. Let's first start creating a variable resource. Navigate to the Manager tab on the left and click the New Resources button. Select Variable from the drop-down in the Resource Type field and enter Record ID as the variable name in the New Resource window. Select Record as data type and Environment as the object. Make sure you enable the Available for Input checkbox label. Now click on Done. We will follow the same process to create the second resource. Here, we will be selecting Formula as resource type and enter parameter JSON as the API name. In the data type, select Text. Add the string that defines the function parameters. Paste them under the Formula field and click on Done. Great job! Now that you have created the two resources, go to the Elements tab to select and drag the action element to the Flow Builder. Under the New Action field, search and select Invoke Copado Function Apex Action. Give it a label as Install Package Action and API name as Install_Package_Action. We shall now proceed to enter key details under the Set Input Values section. Provide the function API name as Install_Package. Select the context ID value from the drop-down as the record variable we created earlier. Also, select the value for parameters JSON that we created in the previous step. Finally, select Show Validation Errors value as true from the drop-down. And click on Done to proceed. Go to the Flow Builder to link the screen element to the action element. As a part of the next step, we will be adding the screen element that will capture the result. Give this screen a name. Now, let's move to the Component tab and search for the Result Status Monitor element. Drag it to screen. Provide all key details required including API name, Object API name and others. Click on Done to proceed. Next, let's link the Apex Action element to the end screen. Awesome! Now that the flow is created, name it Install Packages and click on Save. Click the Activate button to proceed. We shall next create the button in the Environment Object Manager. Select Flow as an action type and provide necessary values for flow, label and name. Once the button is created, it is time to put it on the environment record. Add the Install Packages button in the Lightning record page. Great job! Click to activate it. In the Environment Record Page Activation window, set it as Org Default. Now, when you go to your Environment Record page, you shall see the Install Packages button. Once you click the Install Packages button, it will automatically take the environment ID of the current record and you must provide the package ID, which you want to install. Once the installation completes, you can view the result record. Well done! Now you know how to execute a function from Salesforce Flow. You can try to create your own flow and run a function through it.